Hey, so here we are Friday night. Still no furniture, but we did get the blinds put in today. And we got a beautiful sunset going here. Oh, they say the furniture hopefully will be here tomorrow. Mañana. Mañana means anything but today here in Mexico. Good sunset going, but the big spectacular tonight, the National Fireworks Display being displayed in Puerto Vallarta. But before the fireworks began, a couple of interesting sights. Check this out. On the hillside near our home, a wildfire broke out and began creeping towards some homes. Now in California, it would have been disaster. But here, they don't even call the fire department. They just let it burn itself out. Then, just after sunset, the sky turned kind of a dark beige color, and all the buildings in town took on the appearance of an old black and white movie. It only lasted for a few minutes. Then at 9:30, 2 hours of the latest and most spectacular fireworks you've ever seen, exploding in the skies over PV.